Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This morning at the wet market, I actually wanted to get some tai lok min, the thick Hokkien mee, so that I can fry Hokkien mee tonight. But I couldn't find it. Tai lok min is not available everywhere every day. Okay, anyway, I gotten some nice yellow noodles here. I'm going to do something similar to Hokkien mee, but it's not. It will be somewhere between Hokkien mee and Hokkien cha because tai lok mian has got a lot more starchy, so it will give you better Hokkien mee texture, as in more starchy. Okay, but anyway, this is home cooking. I do what I like. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen anyway. So I'm going to do fried noodles today. So I have approximately, this is one packet of yellow mee. I just quick rinse with some water. And then I have a few pieces of big prawn, the shell, and also the vein. Some cabbage, a bit of minced garlic. This is some meat slices marinated with a little bit of light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, cornstarch, and vegetable oil. This is some pork crackling, and this is pork lard. The sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sweetened dark soy sauce, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, some salt. First of all, let's get ready a wok. Give it some garlic. Oh, I haven't put in my pork lard. So pork lard itself gives it some base flavor already, right? Next thing, I'm going to put in the prawn, the meat. Let me clear the table. Let's saute this a bit. I don't mind adding in the veggie first because we do want to soften the veggie a little bit before you add in the noodles. And the fastest way to soften the veggie, let's add in some water. Alright. Now after that, after you add in some water, you can actually put in the noodles. And now we can give it some seasoning. Give it some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, some sweetened dark soy sauce. Going to give it a little bit of fine salt. Since I'm not using broth today to cook the noodle, therefore I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. This will make the plain water I added just now to become like chicken stock. That's one of the main reasons why I created this product for myself. Right. Let's bring everything together. And I'm going to find a lid. So let me close this with a lid and that allowed it to simmer for about at least 1 minute. We'll come back shortly. This is after about 1 minute plus. Let me open this. Wow, very fragrant. Yellow noodle, you can't cook it for too long. If not, you're going to release all the alkali flavor. Some people doesn't like it. Personally, Appa don't mind, but there are people who doesn't like it. so yellow noodle is not as starchy as the tai lo mein. If you are using tai lo mein, if Appa is using tai lo mein today, then all this sauce will be soaked up by the tai lo mein itself. But yellow mee, you won't do that, yeah? Unless you put in some cornstarch. Basically is ready. Just let me give you some white pepper. Here's the noodle. Here's the pork crackling. Alright, so here's my very simple fried noodles tonight. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.